16-year-old boy commits suicide because his parents scolded him for playing PUBG. This guy loses mental health and dies due to playing PUBG. He committed suicide for not playing PUBG in 2 weeks. Hangs himself because he lost the match in PUBG. He dies because his mother didn't afford him for the mobile to play PUBG. And what is PUBG here? Why everybody play? Yeah, just you have to play PUBG. So in this video we'll be talking about why PUBG is a big addict and how to stop that addiction. So come, let's move on to the video. PUBG? Yeah. So whenever you go out of your house and ask some 20-year-old child, I play PUBG, he'll tell, yes, you want to join me. So what is that is PUBG? So why it is addictive? And what is PUBG so addicted and why people die? So I have heard people die because of the personal matters, but I have not heard people dying because of PUBG. So why is this PUBG so much addictive? And this PUBG was invented by this guy, but something I have to do for this guy because this made a popular hit even now. Trending topic is PUBG. So wherever you go, see PUBG gameplay or you play PUBG. It's like just 1.8 GB you're wasting your mobile. And PUBG sometimes hacks your mobile. You can't tell that. There are many instances happening like that. So because of this, people die. I don't believe why it is like that. And banning PUBG in some places like in Chennai, India, because the hostel people keep playing it and not listening to the class. So in this video, I'm going to talk why PUBG is so much addictive. Okay, so the first one is the survival game. What is this survival game? What is this survival game? So as you're seeing behind, survival is someone coming to kill you and not escape from that. So it's like, why is addicted? Because it can make you involved in it. I have to not die. I have not died. I have to escape from it. So you only concentrate on that and you lose your mental health because your brain is only involved in PUBG. Because only shooting him, I have to shoot that guy. I have to shoot him. I have to bend my body. I have to use my gun. I have to use this 8 scope. I don't know, 8x scope something. But how to reduce this? How to solve this matter of solution for this? You have to do your own hobbies rather than playing this. So once if you start the game, you can't come out of it. Because when you come out of it, they think that you're losing. So that the game only makes you involved, like it will tell what a loser like that. And what happens to a player? He thinks I have to not be a loser, I have to play again and he plays. So that is what is called actually attraction. It attracts you. It addicts you. How to come out of it is, don't just go to this game. You can play like offline games. Okay, or do some hobbies like go and play some physical activities. Yeah, you can do all those such kind of things. Or you can go and play sports, read books, watch television. Those are good things, but playing this PUBG once it will involve you. Then once if you lose the match, then again you'll go and play a hard play. And win the match, yeah, and win again I'll play, again I'll win. And you keep playing and you get addicted and you will become a player. PUBG. So you have to get removed of it. You have to not play PUBG. Because once you play it, you get addicted. So if you stop playing it, you won't get addicted. You can go and do some hobbies as well. Second one is the most important one. That is the online game. So many games are offline, so you are playing with the robot or artificial intelligence. But this game is online game. So what? Real players play, like a friend play with you and you lose with a friend. And what? He teases you and you get angry and again you play. You play until you win. That's what actually happens, guys. So if you like online games like this and Gaina, Free Fire, all those games are there, right? So they're online games. What really happens is when you die, you get again, you think that you want to win. Then you start playing it. You lose your balance of health. Then, what happens, right? I told the first part. You die, can't you see? So like that. If one player is playing like, your friend is playing and he'll make you out. You die. He'll kill you. Not real game. Okay. Then you also want to kill him in return. So what you do? You just go to another game. You'll call him. You all play. So instead of it, what is the solution here is? You all can play together. you can tell him to stop playing PUBG and let him go out and play. Yeah, that's really cool, right? So what happens here is when you play together in this, when you kill him, like he tries to kill you back. Okay, but when you play like hockey, cricket and all those things, when you get out also you can in return you can hit a goal or like that. But in this it's different. It will cause some health disease for you in this game. Because shooting, that's actually a violence game. Because of that, what all happens we can't. It may lead to suicide, death, anything else. We can't. Next one is violence. So many of the people in this country, actually many of the boys, now all ladies are also playing country. So many of them here actually like to play violence game like Assassin's Creed, yeah, God of War, all those games, but those are also kind of online and offline too. I have not played all those games at my point. But what these violent game happen here is you have to shoot to kill him. You have to aim. So the violence is actually very bad here. Yeah. Because of violence, you get attracted sometimes. I have to kill him. That violence should not be there. Some peaceful game are there, right? Like Kaiba, my girl in my video, some peaceful games. You can use that. Some addicted game are there, but those are offline and it's like you give concentration to that, not like PUBG. You can play other games, but not online games. So little online games are very, very bad. And because of this also, sometimes it may happen. Because of violence also many people. As you can see, right, you jump from that, he's going, he's bending down, he's shooting. You can see that right in the laptop back. Yeah, he'll go down now, he'll shoot. Because of shooting, and you will learn about more guns and bomb and all those things. Flare gun, I only wanted that. The solution for this is you can stop playing these games. You can instead start playing some mobile only, start playing some games. I'll give you that video in description. You can see top really cool games, okay? In that actually you can, it be like addictive but not like PUBG or like violence game. To be you can like quiz game, it will be good, right? And cards game, Uno, yeah, one is involvement. This is a really important topic I have talked to you than that. So what is involvement here? Sorry, what's involvement here? Yeah, now your friend he's playing PUBG. He's playing like these 4 are playing PUBG and another 3 are playing PUBG. So total 7. And you are a friend in that 7. So totally 8 people are there. All are playing PUBG except you. So what do you think? All are playing PUBG, even I want to play. They all are really addicted. And now you also go and get addicted. Yeah, that's really true, guys. Because whenever you all are playing, like even you want to involve in that game, I have to go in that game, I have to play with them. Like that, what to do? You just play with them, you try to go and play with them, and you get involved. And you also play like this. And what is there more here is you can actually communicate with your real voice. So you can tell, hey, food mood, hey, come da, hey, go da, like if you tell this, it will be very easy for you to make friends also. You can make new friends here. But it's good to make friends. But in this game, this because of violence, some friends may be really bad also. Okay, so but if you see, like in this involvement, it will make you involved. Now, if you tell your brother is playing and even you want to play now, yeah, that is really true actually. So how to remove this is you can just go and play out. Or you can play only with them, but you can play another game. Or just remove them or don't talk with them and go watch TV or something. Because when you get addicted, then if your friend who's not playing PUBG, he can get addicted. So this will keep on growing. Already there are 120 million users of PUBG in India. Yeah, out of 1.3 or 4 billion, there are 120 billion users. This is unbelievable. If one plays, another gets addicted. If he gets addicted, he will tell to his friends. Their friends get addicted. And their friends' will get addicted. It keeps on going like that. And the solution for this is, you can just stop playing it and you can go out and play. Or just you can watch TV. Yeah, there are many elders also who play these games. Like 25 years old, all those people. So what they have to do actually is not like this. but they can just sit and play other games, or they can do the office jobs. So many people here feel this pressure. So think that now somebody is in pressure of office, or you, some students, they are present in schoolwork, and see people who are not doing any job are present in taking or seeing a job. Okay, in this pressure, your mind has to cool down. Yeah, you have a very great pressure. Your mind has to cool down. But when you return play this PUBG game, you will increase your pressure, not decrease it. Because increasing is, oh my god, he's seeing me back, he's not seeing me, who I'm playing, you have to turn 360 and see who is that, kill me, and you have to run away, and you have to shoot him, and you have to run away, and you have to take new gun, and you have to see the, and he's shooting, you have to aim it properly, you have to go here and you have to all those things are there. It's very, very difficult there. So this is what we call pressure. Yeah, of course that is called pressure. Because what happens, actually when already many people every day they being pressure, because of working pressure, the school pressure, because of homeworks you do, because of all the works they come and do at home, laptop, all the work should be. People who don't have any job, they'll be searching for jobs, and that will make them a pressure. And after that, when you come to home, you'll start playing the game, and then you make you more pressure, and your mind gets bad of it. Instead of that, what is the solution there? Is you can start playing many games, like other games. Cooling down is not only by playing PUBG. Don't cool down actually. You can just go and take a walk. Just watch the television, some funny things. You can laugh. Laughing makes you more cooler than making you angry like this. That's one of the greatest solutions everyone should have. At least you can go and play alone here. You can play catches like this. You can do anything whatever you want. But after you have even a pressure to play the game, that's all. The next one, I don't know, it's really involved in it. So you can tell because of the high graphics. Yeah, and this PUBG can be downloaded anywhere, even in Apple mobile, even in this laptop, or PC, or my mobile, or the something like mobiles, PCs, even in Xbox can play sometimes. But what is this high graphics make you involved sometimes? What is that? Oh, I have like a real car here. I have to drive it once. I have to go and kill them. Yeah, it's really like one of the high graphics really attract somebody. Okay, so we have come to the end of the video now. But I want to give a conclusion for this video. What is? There are more than 540 million users in the world who play PUBG, and there are more than thousands of people who died due to PUBG. You know, one guy died because he didn't get a mobile. That mobile cost some 1 lakh, and his father couldn't afford 1 lakh mobile for playing this chess game. Because of high graphics, because of online game, because of friends. You die because of that. Yeah, because you lose your life. One life you lose because of PUBG game. Yeah, that's actually very bad, and I stopped playing PUBG. I don't play PUBG as much. Yeah, that's what actually involves in playing PUBG. Really. So what? See here. You have to go run, you have to shoot, you have to search for a place you can hide, and because of this, many die. What is involved here? So a doctor who has treated a patient of mental disease has told that this guy plays PUBG, and because of it, he's admitted in hospital. I don't know his name. Okay, what happened is he was just playing PUBG and he wanted to win in that, and in his dreams everywhere. While sleeping also, I want to kill him, I want to kill him, I want to kill him. And that actually makes you involved in addict. So I had told you some best solution to remove it. But in this solution, all are like, you can go out and play, you can watch television rather than playing this game. You can play any other offline games, not online games. Online games is one thing which attracts you because of playing with friends. Yeah, so that's all for today, guys. So I gave a conclusion for this video because stop playing this game because it's really addicted, and told why it's addicted. So these 6 topics are which addicts you, and if there are more, I'll give it in a part 2. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Signing up is Santosh from Tech, and this is Santosh Creative Live Production. Thank you, bye. You should see me, you are better. You are stuck 360 and see who is that king, and you are run away, and you have to shoot him, and you run away, and you take new gun, and you see the guy, he's shooting, and you have to properly, you have to put it in.